This public service announcement is part of the NCS Value in Prevention Summer Camp, presented in part by our friends at Fairfax County Public Schools.
Hi, I'm Lauren, and I'd like to get real with you about something that's very important. If you're using marijuana or thinking about starting, I'd like you to think about these facts. Marijuana use affects the brain by slowing down brain function. It confuses and slows down coordination and reduces one's self-control. Marijuana has a damaging effect on your lungs when smoking it, but regardless of how it's used, you never really know what you're getting, and that's the next important point to consider. You might think marijuana is not dangerous, but did you know that a lot of marijuana seized by the police is laced with harder, far more dangerous drugs such as fentanyl or PCP? And THC, the chemical in marijuana that gives you the high, actually stays in your system as long as up to 30 days, and it can negatively affect your ability to reproduce. And lastly, I'd like you to think about this. Just try getting even an entry-level job today without having to have a drug test. So regarding marijuana use, think before you start. And if you've started, start thinking about stopping.